Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick and easy crochet project, Mini Rose. And without further ado, let's begin. The materials that I use is Caron, Simply Soft yarn, 3.5mm hook, scissors, and yarn needle. First step is to make a slip knot. Next, chain 10. Skip one chain from the hook, and on the second chain, make one single crochet. On the next chain, make another one single crochet. Then on the next chain, make another one single crochet. On the next 3 chain, make 2 double crochet. Then on the last 3 chain, make 3 double crochet. Now cut the yarn and fasten off. Next, we're going to do the leaves. Now, make a slip knot. Next, chain 5. Slip stitch on the second chain from the hook. And on the next chain, 1 single crochet. On the next chain, make 1/2 double crochet. Then on the next chain, make 1 double crochet. And we're done with our first leaf. Now, chain 5. And again, we're going to repeat the pattern. You slip stitch on the second chain from the hook. Next, 1 single crochet on the next chain. Make 1/2 double crochet on the next chain. And 1 double crochet on the last chain. And we're done with our second leaf. Now we're going to do the last leaf, chain 5. Then again, slip stitch on the next chain from the hook. Then 1 single crochet on the next chain. And make 1/2 double crochet on the next chain. And make 1 double crochet on the last chain. Next is slip stitch on the first leaf. Next, fasten off to secure the yarn. Use a hot glue to assemble the flower and the leaves. And there you have it, guys. This is the final outcome. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button to notify you if I have a new upload. Thank you for watching and see you on my next tutorial. Goodbye!